Do you want to know how to use picture-in-picture mode on YouTube's free version? Well, you come right place. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a handy trick for all you YouTube enthusiasts out there. Have you ever wanted to watch a YouTube video while multitasking on your Windows computer? Well, today we'll teach you how to enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the YouTube website. Step 2. Find the video you want to watch and start playing it. Step 3. Right-click twice on the video player. Step 4. Select Picture-in-Picture from the context menu. Step 5. Enjoy watching your video in picture-in-picture mode while you continue to browse or work on your computer. You can adjust the size of this screen according to your desire and move anywhere, and there you have it. Enabling picture-in-picture mode on YouTube and Windows is that simple. Now you can enjoy your favorite videos while being productive on your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.